Let me start this video very honestly. Right now, a lot of people are scared. Everywhere you look, it's AI this, AI that. AI will replace developers. AI will take your job. Learn AI or you will be irrelevant. And if you are a student, a fresher, or even a working developer, this noise can really mess with your head. So, in this video, I don't want to sell you motivation. I don't want to give fake hope. I just want to talk reality with full honesty. First thing first, AI is not here to replace you. AI is here to replace wasted effort. And there is a huge difference. If you use AI properly, you can finish an 8-hour job in 2 hours. But if you use AI blindly without understanding, the same 8-hour job can easily turn into a 12-hour working hell. AI doesn't decide your future. How you use it, it does. Think of AI like a super fast intern. It can write boilerplate code, it can suggest solutions, it can help debug faster, and it can speed up learning. But it doesn't understand context. It doesn't understand product decisions. It doesn't understand trade-offs. It doesn't take responsibility when things breaks in production. That responsibility is still yours, and that's why good developers are still needed. Now let's talk specifically about mobile application development because this is very important. Mobile development is not saturated the way people claim. Yes, there are many developers, but there are very few good mobile developers. And here is why mobile development is different from many other fields. First is that being a mobile developer have a entry level restriction. To become a mobile developer, you cannot just open a browser and start. You need a decent laptop, you need a real device, and you need to understand emulators, builds, signing, app stores, testing on actual hardware. This automatically filters out a huge crowd. Second, mobile apps are products, not just code. A mobile app lives in a user's pocket. It deals with performance, battery, animations, gestures, offline handling, network issues, device limitations. AI can help you write code, but it cannot own a mobile product. That's why companies still trust humans for mobile apps. Third, let's talk money because nobody talks about this honestly. Independent mobile developers are making very good money today. Some are earning via freelance apps, some through Play Store and App Store, some via SaaS style mobile apps, and some via client work. In many cases, mobile developers earn more than web developers at the same experience level, especially when they understand both tech and product. And this is not a hype, this is happening right now. So AI will not remove mobile developers, but it will remove lazy developers. It will remove people who copy paste without understanding. It will remove people who never learned fundamentals. If you know how layout work, if you understand state management, if you understand architecture, if you can debug logically, and if you think in terms of user experience, AI become your assistant, not your replacement. You write better code faster, you test ideas quicker, you build MVP in days instead of weeks. That is a power, not a danger. But yes, if someone uses AI to avoid learning, then AI will expose them very quickly. So here is the reality check. The job market is changing, but it's not shrinking for skilled people. It's shrinking for people who refuse to adapt. Mobile development is still in demand. Flutter, Android, iOS are actively hiring. Companies don't want AI prompt engineers only. They want engineers who can help them to ship real apps. And that's exactly what we are doing on this channel. We are not just learning syntax. We are not just building demo apps. We are building thinking ability. We are building fundamentals. And we are building real world skills. So don't be afraid of AI. Use it, learn it, but don't depend it on blindly. Let AI handle the boring part, you handle the thinking part, and that is the future. And if you are serious about mobile development, this is actually one of the best times to be in this field. Less noise, more opportunities for people who really know what they are doing. So this was a raw thought from my end. If this helped clear your mind even a little, hit like, share it with someone who's scared right now, and subscribe to Widget Wisdom. And I'll see you in the next one.